Hi, Marla. Could you sign one, please,
I
now?
would love to.
Well, that's kind of you. Thank you.
Bring your stuff in the back, okay?
Hi,
You're gonna ask a decent question this time?
Marla, may I get a photo?
Sure, you're welcome. Of course. Thanks for coming by, guys.
So Marla, how's Tony treating you?
Can I get one too?
I don't know, Tony, how are you treating me? He's the best.
Like a-
Are you kidding me? I'm learning so much.
So we had a question for Geraldo earlier regarding the threats that Donald's getting for his
Thank
family.
you so much. Thank you.
The threats that he's getting for his family. We're wondering if the Secret Service would be watching over the whole family.
Yes,
That'd be good.
that'd be great. It's very, very, very important. But bigger than that, that God watches over it.
Take care.
Thank